Low-carb diets are trending with ketogenic ruling the list. But before giving into the trend of zero carbs, consider this. Just like a car needs fuel to go anywhere, carbohydrates are the fuel for your body. The absence of this main source of energy will lead to fatigue, low blood pressure, nutrient deficiencies, and an increased risk of heart attack. Carbs are a crucial part of any diet, so instead of completely cutting out carbs, making a swap to low-carb grains will be a smarter choice. This will ensure a wholesome, balanced diet that you need every day. If you're wondering what the best low-carb grains are, then look no further. Is wild rice worth the hype? What about the humble old oatmeal? Is quinoa a good choice? In today's video, we'll be talking about all the low-carb grains you need to know. Number 1. Barley. Believe it or not, barley is one of the most widely eaten grains in America. This versatile grain with a chewy texture and mild nutty flavor packs some impressive health benefits. Not only is barley low on the carbs, but it ranks pretty high in fiber and nutrients. Snacking is a sneaky way of packing on extra pounds. If you're looking to achieve your dream weight loss goal, then make the switch to barley, which will help you stay fuller for longer, and it'll cut down on your unhealthy snacking habit. Adding it to soups, stews, breakfast porridge, or salad is always a deliciously healthy idea. How do you like to cook barley? Share your recipe ideas in the comments section. Number 2. Millet. Looking for gluten-free options to control diabetes? Millet is a whole grain packed with protein, nutrients, and antioxidants, which offers a plethora of health benefits. The fact that it's low in carbs but impressively rich in other nutrients makes it an excellent choice for people following a gluten-free diet or anyone looking to manage celiac disease. While the catechins protect the body from harmful oxidative stress, other important nutrients promote wound healing and manage blood sugar. Did you know that eating millet regularly helps improve skin elasticity and get rid of fine lines and wrinkles? Millet truly is complete protection for the body inside and out. Number 3. Wild rice. Let's get this out of the way. Despite the name, wild rice is not rice at all. It's only called wild rice because it cooks like regular white rice, but it's actually a combination of 4 different species of grass. This low-carb grain has made its way up the healthy eating ladder for its benefits like heart protection and management of diabetes. Did you know that cooked wild rice contains around 30% less calories than brown rice and 40% more protein? Brimming with antioxidants, wild rice is the perfect plant-based source of protein, especially for vegans, vegetarians, and people looking to lose some weight. Number 4. Oatmeal. Trustworthy oatmeal is one low-carb food that anyone in any part of the world can have. Oatmeal topped with nut butter and fresh seasonal fruit is a simple, healthy way to start the day, especially if you're watching your weight. Just 1 cup of cooked steel-cut oatmeal contains as little as 32 grams of carbs. Oatmeal has to be one of the healthiest foods on the planet. It goes without saying it comes with a variety of health benefits like promoting weight loss, improving skin, and lowering cholesterol. Number 5. Brown rice. When you think about alternatives for high-carb grains, brown rice is the first one that pops into your head. Simply put, brown rice is an unrefined, unpolished version of white rice. The presence of its protective coat ensures that the fiber and other important nutrients are kept safe and not stripped out while processing. Although this whole grain did not make the cut for the keto diet, it's still loaded with nutrients and dietary fiber. Half a cup of cooked brown rice along with roasted veggies will give you less than 30 carbs but will make you feel full. Number 6. Quinoa. Quinoa is everywhere. From salads and curries to energy bars and pudding, quinoa has rightfully earned its spot as a superfood. Ever since it was introduced to the US, its popularity has continued to grow, especially for people looking for plant-based sources of protein. This pseudo-cereal, although tiny, is dense in nutrients like amino acids that support muscle growth, fiber that manages blood sugar, and iron which supports cell function. When it comes to carbs, 1 cup of cooked quinoa contains less than 40. This is why many people have replaced rice with quinoa. Its nutty taste goes well with salads, lemon chicken, black bean tacos, and even breakfast porridge. Number 7. Bulgur. Bulgur is an easy-to-cook, versatile whole grain that's made using cracked grains of different wheat species. Mostly used in Mediterranean and Middle Eastern cuisines, this fiber-rich food offers a huge list of health benefits. It supports heart health, controls blood sugar, and promotes weight loss by keeping the gut in good shape. Adding 1 cup of cooked bulgur to any of your meals will have less than 35 grams of carbs, but leave you feeling full.